Hey everyone! Welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech and lifestyle gadgets. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best car accessories in 2025 that will upgrade your ride, make driving safer, and add that extra touch of convenience and style. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on our awesome reviews. And don't forget to check out the product links in the description box for all the details and latest prices. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to enhance your daily drive, you're in the right place. If you love outdoor adventures, the Rough Country Rooftop Tent Annex is a must-have. Measuring 94 inches in length, 56 inches in width, and 84 inches in depth, this Annex easily attaches to the bottom zipper of Rough Country's rooftop tent. It adds extra space and privacy, perfect for changing clothes or relaxing after a long day. The Annex features 2 roll-up privacy windows with mosquito screens, keeping bugs out while letting fresh air in. Plus, it's backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, ensuring durability and peace of mind for all your trips. For maximum safety and awareness on the road, the Escort MAXcam 360C is a game-changer. With exceptional detection range powered by the Blackfin 706 DSP and SDR-AD 9363 chips, it helps you avoid speeding tickets while filtering out unnecessary alerts for a quieter drive. The true 360-degree directional awareness shows threats from all directions, so you instantly know where to focus. Its QHD 1440p video recording captures clear journeys with enhanced low-light performance, thanks to the Sony Starvis sensor. Equipped with advanced safety features like emergency mayday alerts, incident reports, and parking mode, this device protects both you and your vehicle, while being fully compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For travelers who need extra storage, the Yakima CBX16 cargo box is a perfect solution. Offering 16 cubic feet of space with a rugged, angular finish, it's ideal for cars, wagons, and SUVs. The box features an intuitive lid handle that locks both your gear and the box to your vehicle, while dual-sided opening allows easy access from either side. Internal lid stiffeners enhance durability, and SKS locks ensure maximum security. Installation is simple with universal mounting hardware that fits all Yakima Streamline crossbars and factory or Aerodynamic crossbars, complete with integrated interior tie-down points for a safe and stable ride. Never run out of power on your adventures with the Anker SOLIX C800 Plus. This 1,200 watt portable power station with a 768 watt-hour Life PO4 battery is perfect for camping, RVS, road trips, and even power outages. It features 3-mode versatile camping lights to illuminate your nights and can power multiple appliances at once with high efficiency. Thanks to InfiniPower technology, it delivers reliable power every day for up to 10 years and supports ultra-fast charging, fully recharging in just 58 minutes. With up to 10 ports and surge capacity, up to 1,600 watts, it's a versatile companion for any outdoor lifestyle. Topping our list is the NOCO Boost GB150, a 3,000 amp UltraSafe jumpstarter that instantly revives dead batteries. It works on engines up to 9.0-liter gas and 7.0-liter diesel, delivering up to 80 starts per charge. The device features patented spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, ensuring safe connections every time. Beyond jump-starting, it functions as a portable power bank for smartphones and tablets, while a 500-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including SOS and strobe, handles emergencies with ease. Compact yet powerful, its rugged IP65 rated housing protects against water, dust, and impact, making it the ultimate tool for any driver.